Hello dear viewers, let's start today. If you've been abune, let's start today. BMW's eye-catching SUV model, BMW X4 model. The BMW is a brand representing the pioneering design understanding and excellent work in the automobile industry. This approach also manifests itself in the BMW X4. The BMW X4 sets an excellent balance between external design and elegance and sportiness. This luxury compact SUV has remarkable design and has superior aesthetic properties, sharp lines, and dynamic profile. The most prominent feature of the exterior design of the BMW X4 is sharp lines and a dynamic profile. The front side of the car is decorated with a wide and impressive front grille. This grille is one of the characteristic design features of BMW and gives the car a strong expression. The headlights are located just above the grille and added a modern atmosphere with sharp lines. Equipping headlamps with LED technology provides excellent lighting in both night and day drives. The side profile reflects the sporty nature of X4. The car's ceiling line progresses in a coupe style with a slight slope and makes the car more attractive and dynamic. High side panels protect the SUV character. The BMW X4 stands out with its aerodynamic structure beyond its remarkable outdoor design. The body of the car is specially designed to reduce wind resistance and increase fuel efficiency. This provides better fuel economy and stability during driving. As a result, the BMW X4's external design, sharp lines, dynamic profile, and elegant design details are designed in a remarkable way. The front side of the car, the side profile, the rear design and aerodynamic structure, luxury and sportiness, bringing X4 one of the most attractive SUVs in the car world. The BMW X4 stands out as an eye-catching car in every aspect with its exterior appearance, inner mechan. We will look closely at the inside design of the BMW X4. This luxury tool, the stamp and technology, is brought together. Now I will take a look at what the BMW X4's inner mechan is offering. BMW X4 is a luxury and contemporary approach to the inner space design. Dairy-coated tights, high-quality materials, and careful details, the tool presents the first-class experience, not for the driver and not for the driver. The aesthetic and functionality of the inside of mechan was brought together. X4's inner prescience, the attention is characterized by an attractive detail option. Dairy-coated stability such as trees or metal coatings and light ambience provide an ingredient and luxury air supply. It was made with an amine mitness. BMW X4 is the driver and passage of the road to the forefront. The tights have been designed in a way that will give you comfort, even in long scripts. Diaries, control and adjustable tights, sags to the comfort of everyone in mix. This SUV model offers my way to a luxury journalist. BMW X4 has pre-storage recovery in the inner mechanics, units in the cabin, the right of you to save your lives in a layout. In addition, Lagai Hakmi is very wide. It also makes it an ideal tool for daily use and travels. This tool is dedicated with the latest technological features and runs a series of compress and fun options drivers. Shamdi, I'm a look at the sons of BMW X4's knowledge systems. BMW X4 is dedicated with a touching screen of large and high resolution. This screen drivers and passengers to the tool settings, navigation system, media, and more fazla. Screen, easy torture and carnage pulls with the design. BMW X4 is coming with a digital show panel. In this panel, the driver is presented in a way of net of important information. HIZ, Yakut level, navigation redirects, and more phase. This is displayed in the digital panel. Also, the drives can be selected from different view options. The BMW X4 is very important in the clever phone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Jibi features. You can connect your smartphone institution and access to your favorite applications. This makes it easy to break in the link. The BMW X4's information system, Sesi Kamate features. Drivers, voice commuters can be asked to use their phones, control the navigation system, and can play music. This is helping you catch your handles on your hand. BMW X4 Sunare supports in the Contriso sexuals. If you like Harman Kardon's rugged sound system, you cannot apply to Bang & Amp. Olufsen Hour system if you are looking for a higher sound quality. Her two systems do the best layout of the glory of the glory. It's a BMW X4's KISA overview of information entertaining systems. This tool drives to the latest technological features and offers the compress and fun of passengers. Schmiede de BMW is a brand known in the world of carpets, superior route, and powerful motor performance. BMW X4 presents a charming driver of a charming driver in the luxury compact SUV category, overthrowing the inheritance of this brand. The BMW X4's driving traffic, road grip, and motor performance. Hacken, driving truck, BMW X4, the driver Sunar the Us highlighting. Inner Meekin. Silent is a medium and high-quality finished goods. This is the longest way. It helps you keep your attention along the way and makes your journeys. Also, the tire side of the car's suspension system is a way to keep track of the right side and the road in a path. BMW X4, especially in the city drifts, the maneuverage is escaped with the cane and flexibility. The car makes it easier to move on compact dimensions, parking, and narrow streams. At the time of the month, the high seating violation, the income tools in the traffic can easily see. Road grip, BMW X4, swimming performance in the road grip cone. BMW's X-Drive, named X-Drive, is the shooting system of the duration. Every Milk Road cycle is the perfect drawer. This is the right to keep in viracles and performance on the top love in the car's viruses and forced air. The weight of the car's weight loss is also a perfect denge right, which helps you heal the road. BMW X4 presents adaptified suspension systems in the month. This system adjusts the suspension hardship in the driving sections and driver's preferences. This is the right of the car's hem confusive hem de sportif to offer my driver. Also, the driver can make crossings between dynamic driving modes, which is also the right to customize the exkrillable test. Motor performance, BMW X4. The impressive selection of motor performance, Sunar. Different motor options come with FIFA Live Power and Torque, loved ones. Aster Diesel, it's gasoline. Want a motor from a Hydrite. X4 Sun's a choice to suit your needs. The BMW X4 shows the perfect performance from the opening of engines, speed, yank it economy, and agility. High tip and fallen yields of diesel motor options offer my yield. Gasoline motors is more Fazla pulse and fame right. Hybrid options Sunaria, hem yaft tasaruf, hem de circle friends. BMW X4's wrestlers gives impressive results in fast tests. It is fast, quickly exhibits a starry performance, even if you are in highways. The result is, BMW X4, a perfect driving trucker, is impressive of the road grip and motor performance. The northern Monet of the car and various driving mods, drivers are different from a perfect traffic jam. This is a leader in the BMW X4 luxury compact SUV segment. Remember that if the video is Bayan Baton's hit and sub Suis. If you do not see the meeting in the video of the video,